Students, today we will study about combination of registers. First, I will take series combination of registers. Then, after that, I will take parallel combination of registers. So, first, series combination of registers. Suppose that there are three registers. This is register R1. This is another register R2. And this is another register R3. R1, R2 and R3. Now these three registers are connected in series like this. R1 connected to R2, R2 connected to R3. Now this combination is connected across an external cell whose terminal potential is V. Potential difference between two terminals is V. Now since all three resistors are in series, so then same current flows through each resistor. Suppose that I current is flowing through each resistor. Current I is flowing through each resistor. And suppose that potential difference across this resistor is V1. Potential difference across second resistor is V2 and potential difference across third resistor is V3. Then from Ohm's law, V1 is equal to IR1. V2 is equal to I R2. V3 equal to IR3. Now we have three equations, equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Now I will add these three equations. Means adding equation 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Left hand side of equations are V1, V2 and V3. Then V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to V, total potential. Therefore, V is equal to I is common R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now, if equivalent resistance of circuit is R, if equivalent resistance is R, then in place of this V, we can write I into R. I into R is equal to I R1 plus R2 plus R3. I and I cancel out. It means R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Thus we see that when three resistors are connected in series, resultant of combination is given by R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now I will take parallel combination of resistors. Now parallel combination of resistors. Suppose that there are three resistors R1, this one is R2 and another resistor R3. Now all these three resistors are connected in parallel like this. These two are common points. R1, then R2, then R3. All these are connected in parallel. and this combination is connected across an external cell whose terminal potential is V. Now, since these three resistors are connected in parallel, then current through each resistor is different. Suppose that current through resistor R1 is I1, current through resistor R2 is I2, and current through resistor R3 is I3. Then I1, I2, I3. And in parallel combination, potential difference across all the resistors is same. Then from Ohm's law, I1 is equal to V upon R1, equation 1. I2 is equal to V upon R2, equation number 2. I3 is equal to V upon R3, equation number 3. Now I will add all three equations and see what happens. Adding equation 1 and 2 and 3. Adding equation 1, 2 and 3. We get I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. Now I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to total current I. So I is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. If equivalent resistance of combination is R, if equivalent resistance is R, then in place of I we can write V by R is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. You can also write it as V upon R is equal to V common 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Now V and V cancel out and we get 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Therefore, we get when three resistors are connected in parallel, equivalent resistance is given by 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3.